Import error. No module name urllib2. Here's my code. Any help?
As stated in the urllib2 documentation, the urllib2 module has been split across several modules in Python 3 named urllib.request and urllib.error. The 2 to 3 tool will automatically adapt imports when converting your sources to Python 3. So you should instead be saying your current, now edited code sample is incorrect because you are saying urllib.urlopen http://www.google.com instead of just urlopen http://www.google.com.
The above didn't work for me in 3.3. Try this instead, or YMMV, etc.
Python 3. Python 2. While I have tested both the codes in respective versions.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.